This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
I'm Guy, and I handle logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri here. And welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. And if you love all things vintage and thrifted and DIY and upcycled, then go ahead and subscribe, because Refashionista Sheri, she puts out brand new videos every single week. So there's always something new to see. There's always something new to upcycle, new to make. And yeah, take a tour around, enjoy, and we'll see you again soon. Hallo, mein Name ist Frau Inge und I am the producer und director for Confessions of a Refashionista. Now you may be thinking to yourself, but why should I subscribe and follow Confessions of a Refashionista? Well, that is because Refashionista Sheri produces content that is very, very easy to follow for everyone. And you don't need any special skills or tools or anything like that to take part in creating your own sustainable style using her DIYs, tutorials, tips und hacks. Now go ahead, subscribe, follow, show some love if you want to, and be sure to let her know the types of videos that you would like to see in the future. Hello, me little puppets. I am Esther, and I am the project manager for Refashionista Sheri. Now, speaking of projects, did you know that Refashionista Sheri not only shares her upcycles and DIYs over on her blog and channel and across her social media, she's also written several rockin' Refashionista books and has some e-courses as well. So if you yourself want to expand your own Refashionista talents, I highly recommend downloading those books and enrolling in those courses, and everything is available at refashionistasheri.com.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.